everyone, my name is Jenny and I am here to talk with you about the wonderful health benefits of turmeric that have been found for individuals with diabetes, specifically type 2 diabetes. So according to the CDC, over 30 million people in the US have diabetes. 90 to 95% of cases involve type 2 diabetes. Middle-aged and older adults ages 45 to 64 are at the highest risk for developing type 2 diabetes. Now, if you're unsure of what diabetes is or what it means to be a diabetic, I'm going to explain it for you in a nutshell. So, being diabetic means you are insulin resistant. When someone is insulin resistant, they're having trouble getting blood sugar where it needs to go in the body. So the body's natural response to this is to continue to make more and more insulin, which causes insulin levels to continuously rise. This is not something that can keep up forever, and even these elevated levels of insulin are not enough to control blood sugar and keep it in its normal range. So this is diabetes in a nutshell. Fortunately, though, type 2 diabetes can be controlled and prevented from natural things like diet and exercise, but taking certain supplements has also been found to be beneficial. And supplements like turmeric have so many different health benefits that the curiosity developed about how turmeric could benefit people who have diseases like diabetes. Now, where does turmeric come from and what is turmeric? So turmeric is a root that is sold whole or ground up. It is made from the root curcuma longa, which is part of the ginger family. You can use turmeric to cook with, you can sprinkle it on food, or you can take it in capsule form. Turmeric has been used as a spice, a dye, and medicine for centuries. It mainly grows wild in places like India, Cambodia, China, and Japan. Now, don't get confused because you may hear or see many sellers using the terms curcumin and turmeric, and these mean the same thing. Curcumin is just the active ingredient in turmeric. So, turmeric has been used for centuries in Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine and has been given to people for pain relief, improved digestion, liver function, and it has really good anti-inflammatory properties and it has high antioxidant levels. So now you're probably wondering, well, how can this golden powder help such a serious disease like diabetes? Well, curcumin regulates and balances insulin levels and prevents development of insulin resistance in the body and lowers blood sugar and triglyceride levels. So, a couple articles that I found, one of the articles that was published in the Journal of Agriculture and Food Chemistry studied the effects of ingested turmeric on glucose and lipid metabolism in obese diabetic mice. They found that turmeric powder ingestion is associated with reductions in blood glucose and abdominal adipose tissue. The other study that I found that was published in the European Journal of Integrative Medicine found that supplementation of turmeric in combination with oral hypoglycemic agents is a promising candidate for regaining glycemic control in type 2 diabetes patients. So, this does not say that the use of turmeric will cure diabetes, but these studies do suggest that turmeric has properties to help prevent and aid in the control of diabetes. So, is turmeric good for diabetes? Yes. Is it a cure? Well, more studies definitely need to be done for that. But in my research, I have found that turmeric has very few, if any, side effects and can help lower blood glucose levels, which is extremely beneficial for diabetics or people with pre-diabetes. So, now, I don't want you to leave here today and go throw out your diabetes medications, but I do encourage you to begin incorporating this powerful supplement into your daily diet. We can prevent this nasty disease. Start today.